everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your PlayStation is loud in the rest mode. So if you have this like by you when you're sleeping, go to settings and scroll on down to system, or actually power saving settings right here, and go to set features available in rest mode. Now your PlayStation will still kind of be on, it's going to be using power in rest mode, but if you leave this option to always or 3 hours right here for supply power to USB ports, if you go to off right here and you don't use your PS4 to charge your controllers, you're going to notice that your PS4 is going to be a lot less loud. So just set it to off right there and you should be good to go. And if it is downloading something through the internet, your PlayStation might be a little bit louder too. So you got to like a download or something, you might notice that a little bit louder. So your PS4 is using a little bit more power. Now another thing that is wrong with the PS4, the original model, is if it gets dirty, it gets really, really loud. So think about getting some compressed air and cleaning out the dust from the inside. Maybe open up the case and just try cleaning it. It will significantly reduce the loudness of it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.